Welcome to Taskdrip. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your Haven token and also participate in this massive airdrop happening here on Haven. All right, so it's called Haven 1. So if you're on Satoshi app, you have to withdraw this because they have given like 4 days for you to withdraw, or you might lose your H1 token. So this is what you're going to do. You just click the link you see on your screen or below the description. It will bring you to this page, right? So once it brings you to the page, let's just say for instance, this is my invite. You have to participate in also these referrals because it's going to help you get SPs. They're going to give you more airdrops beyond the ones you have in your Satoshi app. You see here they are doing a quest here on Zealy. Right here, if you come here to quest, you see people are already participating. Over 25,000 people are participating. So you need to also participate in this quest here. That will give you a lot of SPs from doing all those tasks here. This will earn you a lot of SPs that would give you the airdrop when H1 are doing their airdrop. You know, this is ending very soon. So once you visit this link, once you visit the link in the description, it's going to bring you to this page. On a page like this, so you would have to connect. You would just have to connect your wallet. It's better you use a PC or just copy this address, copy the link and paste it in your MetaMask. Visit your MetaMask. So you're using MetaMask. You see my MetaMask is right here and I've connected my MetaMask already. So you will be asked to connect your MetaMask. Once you connect your MetaMask, you will also be asked to do identity verification, your facial verification, and also your ID card. Once you do that, the portal should open up for you to see a portal like this. So right now you see here it's going to show you a little bit of information about what you've done, to tell you that you can also stake Ethereum and get more of their XPs. If you refer here, if you claim your passport, you claim this passport by completing your identity verification, you will get 2000 XPs. So just go through the list and see, set up your 2FA wallet shield and also get 200 XP. So there are so many tasks you need to do before the airdrop happens. You see there are so many opportunities here for you. Just make sure you complete all these tasks, and beyond completing these tasks, also join this Zealy event here, because they're also going to give people that partake in this Zealy event. I'm going to drop the link also to the Zealy event so that you could just join the Zealy event and participate also. So that should be it. Once you're done, you will get your referral link. You can also invite your friends and repeat the process. You know, teach them this or also show them this video I'm doing to show you how it works, right? So once you've done that connection and you've done your verification, your KYC, you should be good to go. We'll just wait to see what they do next, and in a couple of days. All right, so that should be it. See you in the next video. I will post subsequent videos to teach you how to go about setting up your withdrawals or any other issues you would have with this. We're going to post our Telegram. Our Telegram is our Taskdrip, so you can visit us on Telegram and you will get updates there, or our social media channels. You should get any updates you need on crypto, anything core, anything gaming, anything passive income online. So thank you for hanging out and see you in the next video. Bye.